I'm located here on the west side of Fairfield in the Round Hill West Subdivision. Sitting here on a quiet court is my new listing at 2157 Portola Court. It's a two-story home with a newer roof, solar, and hot tub. My name is Nadia Valenzuela with Corcoran Global Living, and I want you to come and join me inside to take a closer look. The kitchen has granite countertops, ample cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances from GE and Samsung, plus an open flow to the dining area. The primary bedroom and bath are located on the main level with a slider out to the backyard. Thank you so much for touring 2157 Portola Court with me. Please see the following property details and my contact information.